Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the exertion meter.
But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the exertion meter. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 85 indicators. And out of those 85 indicators, 27 of them have been profitable, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 27 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator is the exertion meter. It is a TradingView member created indicator. And so, of course, there will be a link to it down in the video below. Basically, this is a meter or an indicator that reads or gauges volatility. And so, basically, as a stock is making a big move, this indicator is reading the volatility in that move, and when it meets a specific parameter, it will drop this red line here. Let me go in and see if I can. Let's change this to orange, make it stand out a little bit more, and there we go. Let's give some visibility to those red lines. So this red line right here, this is a signal to trade. Now, this indicator does not tell you whether you should go short or you should go long. It is simply judging whether or not the currency pair is making a strong move on a good volume. And so, it is up to us to determine what the current trend is, so that way when we get a signal, we know whether or not we should go long or we should go short. Make sense? And so what I have done here is I have added a exponential moving average. Pretty simple. It's on a 9 period. It's just your standard default setting. And when the stock is above the exponential moving average, we will assume that is a trend to the upside. When it is below the exponential moving average, we will assume that the trend is to the downside. And so when we get this red signal, if the price action is above the exponential moving average, we will go long. When we get it and the price action is below the exponential moving average, we will go short. Pretty simple setup, not too hard to understand. And yeah, that is how we will be trading it today. So, all right, I had to get the take profit and stop added to the chart there, which I had forgotten to do. So we have that in place now, and we are ready to start the testing process. So let's get on with the testing process. Let's see, there is the first signal right there. That would have been a long signal. Price action was above the exponential moving average. Unfortunately, that would have been a losing trade. There we go. The next one took place here. Need to play this out a little bit to see where it goes. And unfortunately, it was also a losing trade. Now, something interesting happened here. You can see that it gave us a signal here. Price action was below the exponential moving average, and that would have been counteracted by the next signal that took place here, which would have been a long signal because the price action was above the exponential moving average, and that one actually got us the first win. All right, let's move on here. It's not giving us a whole lot of signals, which, you know, isn't horrible, but also seems like it is missing out on some decent moves here. There we go. There, we finally got a signal. That is a signal to the short side, and boom, boom, boom. Price action definitely fell out there. So that would be second winning trade. Another one here. Price action once again. This was a short. Let's see, did we get stopped out here? We did not. Let's see what it does, and it fell out again. So there we go. And we would have been out of that trade by now, taking our profit, and so this would have been a valid signal there, which steadily stair-stepped its way down into a winning trade. So not too horrible. Definitely seems to be missing some reasonable moves, but also seems to be catching some decent moves as well. Let's see, so that would have been a short. Didn't quite stop us out there yet. So let's see what it does here. Let's see, short, we were right there. And we would have gotten target there. So yeah, like I said, all in all, not horrible. Let's see another one. There we go. And another one there. Yeah, this one seems to be doing a pretty decent job. Not too shabby. There. That's the next one. And got target there. Nice, nice, nice. Boom, boom, boom. And it took off even more. We are approaching end of the year. We've gotten a reasonable amount of signals, more than I thought we were going to get. after the first couple of months, really, you know, going a distance there with no real strong signals. I thought we were going to get very, very few signals. Yeah, this one right here looks like it. Yep. Let's see, what was 225? Yep. It stopped us out. Anytime you see a massive candle like that in one direction or the other, it very often tries to do a pullback on it. I've seen that many times. Get notifications that stop popping up. Alright, let's see here. So we got another signal right there. That was a signal to go short. Unfortunately, it took off in the opposite direction there. Definitely stopping us out. Let's see, where are we? Very close to the end of the year. Not quite though. Let's see. Got that one was a winning trade. And there we go. That is the end of the year there. All right, let's see. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 winning trades. So that is definitely going to meet the 60% criteria. I wish it would have given us a little bit more trades. I wish it would have caught some of these really decent moves that it seems like it was rather lagging on. That's not wonderful, but I mean, all in all, it did a decent job and it met the 60% criteria. And so, yeah, this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.
If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView, and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.